If you are looking for the best oscilloscope, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Siglent Technologies SDS1202XE 200 mHz digital oscilloscope 2 channels. This digital oscilloscope offers 200 MHz measurement bandwidth, real-time sampling at a rate of 1 GSA/sec, and can store 14 million measurement points. The SDS1202XE includes all of the standard interfaces you'd expect: standard serial bus triggering and decode, supports IIC, SPI, UART, 232 rupees, CAN, and LIN. The SDS1202XE has an intuitive interface, making it remarkably easy to use. The measurements that are performed most often are easy to access through their touchscreen interface. All in all, this oscilloscope features serial decoding, FFT, enabling the full bandwidth, and a calibration certificate. Number 2. Hantek DS0507-2P Digital Oscilloscope. The Hantek DS0507-2P digital oscilloscope is another crowd favorite with our reviewer base. This oscilloscope operates at 70 MHz bandwidth and features a large 7 inches LCD color display. This scope comes with all the necessary functions that you would expect in an oscilloscope: vertical and horizontal alignment, scale adjustment, trigger, and many useful buttons to use other functions. The scope is very easy to set up and the menus are intuitive to use, which is perfect for beginners. Many customers like its lightweight and love the built-in help menu and 4 math functions which include FTT standard. Number 3. Rigol DS1054Z Digital Oscilloscopes. The Rigol DS1054Z is one of the best-selling oscilloscopes since its release. Although the price is higher than most, it's really worth it. It features 4 input channels and a bandwidth of 50 MHz, which is hackable to 100 MHz. It has a sample rate of 1 GSA/s and relatively huge memory depth of 12 MPTs, which is upgradable to 24 MPTs. The 7-inch display, with a resolution of 800 by 480 pixels, is big enough to show the 4 channels together. This enables better usability and makes it perfect for analyzing and comparisons of multiple signals at the same time. Number 4. SainSmart Mini DSO213. DSO213 is the most advanced version oscilloscope in the SainSmart DSO oscilloscope. SainSmart DSO213 is a 4-channel oscilloscope for basic electronic design tasks. It helps to USB charging and flash disk storage, which used in educational environments, electronics support, design, and more. Implemented with a 400x240 resolution display, it gives to several measured AC current, including sawtooth, triangle, sine, and square waveforms. This digital oscilloscope has a multi-trigger function, which comes with features such as a video trigger, pattern trigger, duration trigger, etc. Number 5. MicSig TO1104. The 28 MPTs memory depth and zoom software are the highlights in a MicSig TO1000 series with better accuracy and description of waveforms. Lower noise level is less than 1 mV to help you achieve more precise measurements without inconvenience. On the measurement choice page, 31 auto measurements are available to the user. The T-Book Mini can simultaneously calculate and display 5 parameters. The multi-level frequency rating system can also be viewed in full, with detailed signals and with a very large number of measurement values. It is the perfect portable handheld measuring device in addition to the 8000 mAh battery. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.